Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. So today our lesson will be on the letter J. So I want all of you to first sing along with me and learn it. So here it is, you all listen how the words will go on, okay? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Very good. So now let's start singing. I want all of you to sing along with me. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Okay, so here we have learned the word jam. I hope you all like jam, isn't it? Okay, so let's learn some few more words. I want all of you to listen carefully and sing along with me. Can you make the letter sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital J. This is the lowercase j. You know how the J looks now. Let's make the letter J sound. J. J is for juice. J is for juggle. J is for jumping jacks. J is for jug. J is for joker. J is for jellyfish. You know some J words now. Let's make the letter J sound. J. Your turn. J. Very good. So here we have learned the word juice, juggle, jumping jack, jug, joker, jellyfish. Very good. Now we will be learning the sign language, the letter J. The letter J. Okay, let's all do it together. Can you put your pinky finger up? Yes, so this is the letter J. The letter J. J. Now let's all sing some few words so that we can learn it well, okay? Are you ready for that? Okay, so let's start. J is for juice. 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 J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jacket. 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 J is for jar. Jar. J is for jump. 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 J is for jaguar. Jaguar. J is for jug. Jug. J is for jet. Jet. Okay, now I want all of you to repeat the words with me again. So this is the letter J. So I want all of you to sing it along with me again. I want all of you to look at me, okay? And then you sing it with me. J is for juice. 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 J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jacket. 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 J is for jump. jump. J is for jar. 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 J is for jet. Jet. J is for jaguar. 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 J is for jug. Jug. Very good. So the sound of J is J. So the sign language J is like this, okay? All of you learn it well, learn all the words, and see you in the next class. Bye.